Hi, this is Tim Hallbach from the National Weather Service with an update on our active weather pattern that we're expecting over the next few days and into the week. For much of Wisconsin, particularly in southwestern to western Wisconsin, we're expecting multiple periods of heavy rainfall and possibly even some damaging winds as well. Some of that will start today and into tonight, but the more likely widespread heavy rainfalls will come Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, followed by multiple rounds that could lead to some flooding going into this weekend. Here's the current Storm Prediction Center's outlooks for severe weather. Today and tonight, much of the central to northern part of the state is in a slight risk for severe weather, which mainly is going to be for damaging winds, possibly some large hail, but some heavy rainfall with that as well. Going into tomorrow, that slight risk shifts to the southwest a little bit more into the west central part of Wisconsin. Again, damaging winds appears to be the more likely threat for severe weather, but possibly some large hail with it as well. Going into Thursday, a little bit less confident in whether or not we'll see severe weather on that day, but at this point, the southern half of the state appears to be more in the likely area for potentially for some severe weather, and again, damaging winds, potentially large hail with that threat. Here's a look at the excessive rainfall outlook for the next 3 days. For tonight, kind of mimics the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for severe weather. Northern part of the state has the highest chance of seeing some heavy rainfall there. Going into Wednesday, that area shifts to the southwest, along with going into Thursday, again, far southwestern Wisconsin appears to have the highest risk for excessive rainfall. Here's a look at the departure of normal for the past week across Wisconsin. Most of the state actually hasn't had a whole lot of rain. It's mainly just in far southeastern Wisconsin where that heavy rainfall led to all the flooding in Burlington, Kenosha, Racine, Walworth counties. Here's a look at the state forecast for rainfall amounts through the next few days and into early Saturday morning. This is kind of a baseline for what we should see, at least 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. Some locally higher amounts could occur where there's thunderstorms that track over certain areas. Our highest confidence is over the next couple days here for what's going to occur, and then beyond that it becomes a bit more uncertain for where that heavy rainfall will actually fall. Wisconsin. We do have a couple rivers that are still flooding here. We have New Munster on the Fox River, which has actually just gone down into moderate flood stage. That's expected to continue to go down unless we get additional rainfall, which could boost that back up. And then here on the Fox River at Burlington, this went down below flood stage last night and will continue to go down unless they get any additional rainfall there as well. So just to reiterate, looks like an active weather pattern for much of Wisconsin going into this weekend. Our confidence, at least in the next 2 days, seems to be pretty good with the showers tonight and then more widespread storms possibly Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Beyond that, it gets a little bit less confident in what will actually occur there. But we are looking at multiple rounds of heavy rain along with some damaging winds as well. So be on the lookout for potential flooding going through the week.